In this video, I will introduce you to a shopping platform where you will earn profit by grabbing orders as daily task. Kindly watch this video to the end to know other ways of earning from the platform. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on post notifications. To register, enter your email, login password and your invite code. Once you're done, tap on registered account. After registration, you'll find the recharge, withdrawal, invite, and the various VIPs at membership level. So if you go to mine, you'll get 1000 TRX registration bonus that will help you buy any of the VIPs. So if you go to membership on the homepage, you'll see the VIPs and the profit you will earn. So if buy the assignment 1 with 30 TRX, you'll earn 33 TRX after completing the 5 tasks. And if you buy assignment 2 with 150 TRX, you'll withdraw more than 200 TRX after grabbing the 5 orders. The amount you earn depends on the amount you invest. Buy what you can afford. I want to buy VIP 1, so I will tap on join now and recharge my account. I will tap on copy address and copy the USDT address and go to my wallet to do the deposit. So here, I will paste the TRX address and enter the amount I want to recharge. When I am done, we'll go back and wait for some time. As you can see, the amount has reflected, so I will tap on this icon to start making money. I will tap on start grabbing orders and complete all the 5 tasks. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. It is successful, so now I will tap on withdrawal to bind my wallet. It is successful, so now I will paste my wallet address and my fund password. Once I'm done, we'll tap on confirm modification. It is successful, so I will tap on withdrawal and enter the amount I want to withdraw and my fund password. When I'm done, I will tap on withdraw. My withdrawal is successful, so now we'll wait for some time. If you go to invite, you'll be able to see your invite link to invite your friends to the platform. Now, if you invite friends to register and recharge successfully, the platform will give you some reward as referral commission. The reward you earn depends on the level of your subordinate and the amount they recharge. I have received notification about my withdrawal, so I will check my wallet. As you can see, the amount has been paid successfully, and there was no withdrawal fee deducted. The platform does not deduct any fee when you make withdrawals. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notification.